It's your girl Myra, and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? On today's video, we're gonna do something cute or whatever, something, you know, glamorous. I did one eye off camera just to see if I could kind of nail it. Let me know in the comments if I did nail it or not. But anyways, yeah, and I'm using the palette Nude by Hula Beauty. This is how it looks like. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. Now we're going to start priming our eyelid using the e.l.f. 16-hour Cameo Concealer. This is how it looks like, and I am in love with this. This is a concealer, but I use it as a eye primer, and it works just as well. And this is in the color Fair Warm, and I love it. Like, the eyeshadow sticks on it so buttery. It sticks on it so beautiful, and it blends beautifully. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid, like so. I'm gonna use a flat brush to apply that all over my eyelid. I love it. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I love the way it applies my eyeshadow. That bird is getting on my damn nerves. If y'all hear any noises, it's because my fiance bird is acting up. He is acting up. So first color I'm going to use is this color right here. And I'm using that with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. Is it eyelid? My crease. Sorry. And we're going to build it up until you reach your desired color. How's everybody doing today? How was everybody's weekend? My weekend was full of fun activities with my family. We went to my job picnic they had at this lake. We bought the tickets, and it's like a bunch of pools out there. They got, you know, scavenger hunts for the kids and the adults. They win gift cards. They had like a basketball. Everything was outdoors. They had a grill buffet, all you can eat. They had a DJ playing live music. It was not live music, DJ playing music. It was bomb. I was in the pool the whole time because it was so hot this weekend. As you guys can see, I got a little tan on me. So yeah, guys, that was my weekend. That was Saturday. We went out there, spent the whole day. Not the whole day. It was like from 12 to 6. But it was so relaxing. The kids had fun. My daughter brought her friend out there. We had a good time. Hopefully next year. It's every year. Though my job always does it every year. But on this year landed on my weekend off. So hopefully next year I get the same weekend off. I'm so excited. I got 2 more weeks until I go on my vacation to Puerto Rico, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet, oh my God, to reunite with my family. I'm going to see if I vlog it for you guys, and I'm going to see if I make some tutorials out there as well. It's going to be crazy. Like I told you guys, I bought me a little small ring light. I didn't do an unboxing for you guys. I should do that. My next video. I should do an unboxing. It's a small ring light. It's very bright, so you can do your makeup out there. I know my grandmother probably don't have good lighting. It's been a while I haven't been out there. It's been like 7, 8 years I haven't been out there. So I am really, really, really excited to see my grandma, my cousins. Like majority of all my family lives out there in Puerto Rico. And I'm so excited. I can't wait. I leave on the 16th of August and I'll be out there for 2 weeks. So hopefully I could vlog and make makeup videos for you guys. Hey, you bringing me this whole thing? No, just for you. This thing is a bitch. It kept falling. That's hot. That's all for you. Oh, so good. Who in here loves sweet plantains? Comment down below if you love sweet plantains. Lately, I've been going on a rant with these damn sweet plantains. Like, I've been frying the sweet plantains and putting cheese on it, like mozzarella cheese. Eat it, and I eat it like that. Sometimes I fry it and I put ground meat over it and then cheese over it, like layer, like a pastelón. Who out here knows what a pastelón is? Like, all my Puerto Ricans know what a pastelón is. Anyways, that's what I've been doing. I've been like eating all these sweet plantains. So my fiance just made sweet plantains with cut up sausages in it and some cheese. Oh my god, it was so good. Delicious. So yeah, that was on Saturday, and then Sunday my sister hit me up like, yo, what you doing? I said, what you want to do? She was like, well, I want to hit the pool, I want to hit the beach, I want to hit something with water. And I love water, so I said, I don't know, let me know what you want to do. So she hit me back up, she said, let's go to the beach. So we went to Balmer. What am I saying? Balmer Beach, yeah. That beach, it was so amazing. Oh my god, it was so relaxing. It was packed, but I had a good time. It was me, my sister, my daughter, and my niece. We had a good time. Oh my god, I love water. Like, I'm not a good swimmer, but I love being in the water. I love when the waves hit, you know. I like, you know, going a little deep, but not too deep, because I'll be hesitating, because I'll be afraid I'm going to freaking drown and shit. But I love the water. I just like sitting in the water, and like, I just love the water. And my daughter's the same way, but she could swim. It was delicious. Anything with sweet plantain is delicious, huh? Anything put together with it. Yeah.
I like the first one.
I know. Now you hooked on the sweet plantain. I said, now you hooked on it. You know, my fiance was never a sweet plantain person. He was always a what you call that? The other ones, the plátano ones. Until I started making the platanote. Like, it's a lasagna layer with sweet plantains, ground meat, and cheese, and you hook it up the way you want it. I got him hooked on that, and ever since, he could have never stand sweet plantain until he got with me. Honey, I changed up the whole game. Now this man, he's just making me some plantains, sweet plantains. It's so delicious. You guys should try it. Anyways, yeah. So we're gonna build it up. Now we're gonna move on to the second color, and that's using, where's my brush? I hate when I just throw the brushes around. I don't even know what brush should I use. Now we're gonna go in with the darker color. This one, which is called, what is this? Love Bite. That one, and we're gonna put that underneath that color we just applied. Right here. Now we're gonna go in with that e.l.f. concealer, and we're gonna cut our crease right here. And we're gonna pick up this color. We're gonna put that first. We're gonna lay that one first. Here. We're gonna get this color. We're gonna lay it right next to it. This is so pretty. It's like butter. And then we're gonna go in with that glitter. We're gonna go in with this glitter right here. And we're gonna put that right there. Gonna go in with a flat tapered brush, and we're gonna go pick that Love Bite color right here, and we're gonna add more depth. We're gonna go with the glitter. This is by Too Faced, and the style Hey My DJ. That's how it looks like. We're gonna put that in our crease. Mascara, let me put that in mascara. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our face now. We're gonna use a B primer. Okay, and use the Melanie Mills primer. Well, guys, this completes this look. Comment down below if you like it. Comment down below if you want to see more videos. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see. Like, hello. Anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel. We lit. Till next time, girl. I love you all.